Many individuals desire to eat healthier, yet they often lack a starting point. They seek more vitality, improved focus, a calmer digestive system, and a balanced body. However, when confronted with diets or complicated plans, they often feel overwhelmed. This is why I developed plant-powered plates, not as another strict diet, but as a straightforward approach to nourish your body with delicious, wholesome food. Here's the reality. Your body transforms when it receives the appropriate fuel. Food represents more than just calories. It conveys vital information. It instructs your body on how to feel, function, and perform. Consider how many days you felt inexplicably fatigued or anxious or mentally clouded. Most individuals do not realize how much of that stems from food choices. Once you incorporate more whole, plant-based meals, a remarkable shift occurs. You gain increased energy. Your digestion improves. Your inflammation decreases. Your sleep quality enhances. Your mind becomes sharper. This is what plant-powered plates aims to help you achieve. Within the book, you'll discover over 100 recipes that are simple, healthy, and bursting with flavor. No culinary expertise is required. No elaborate ingredients needed. Just authentic meals you can prepare at home, from bowls and smoothies to snacks and quick dinners, all intended to nourish your body rather than drain it. And the best part? You don't need to go all in to see results. Perfection is not necessary. Simply add one plant-powered meal to your day. Try out one new recipe. Make one healthier substitution. You'll immediately notice the difference in how your body feels. Because when you choose better food, everything transforms. Your mood improves. Your concentration enhances. Your energy levels rise. Your motivation increases. Your entire day feels revitalized. Plant-powered plates focuses on empowerment, not restriction. It's about reshaping your relationship with food so that it uplifts your life rather than depletes it. If you're prepared to feel lighter, clearer, stronger, and more energetic, this book serves as your starting point. Provide your body with the nourishment it deserves. Your future self will be grateful. Like, subscribe, and grab your copy of Plant-Powered Plates below.